with honors. Tsaka na-memorize ko yung lines ko, and yung dance ko, and yung song. Memorize ko din. No one's perfect. So, only God is perfect. Kim Chu is the most tanga. Tanga na naman!
College degree is no guarantee for success. Many people are the learned but not educated. How can people be so judgmental? Anyone that can say something bad about her and should prove they are better than her. Let's all admit that she reached her goals in life and she's good personal and successful on earth and showing the living the purpose of her life. Marami lang talagang mga bashers ni Kim. Pag-inggit, pikit talaga. So, kaya ang daming mga nagja-judge. Kay Kim, Kesyo hindi nakapagtapos, kay Kesyo hindi marunong mag-English, na hindi nila alam kung gaano siya ka-successful ang buhay niya. Mga inggit lang talaga. You're not just intelligent but really a smart person. Me are educated but not learned. And your achievements had shown. Totoo. Di naman pinagbabasihan at sa totoo lang marami nakagraduate pero pero hindi nakapagtrabaho. Yung iba naman nakagraduate pero hanggang doon na lang ang buhay nila, mababa pa rin. Hirap pa rin. Ako sa akin, okay lang na hindi nakagraduate, college level, pero importante successful naman, natulungan ko pamilya ko eh. Kaya hayaan na lang siguro ang mga bashers Kim. Siguro nagbabasa ng comment itong si Kim. Ayun, na sinasabi niyang tanga mo naman. You cannot please everyone, don't free, and those people doesn't have anything to do. Lahat tayo hindi perpekto, only God. Tama naman sinabi din ni Kim. Porkit ba hindi nakapagtapos, ganyan na ang mga bashers. Na kahit hindi, kasi nga pinagkukumpar nila si Janine. Kikisyo daw college graduate si Janine, si Kim hindi. Pero sino ba naman masikat sa kanila at successful, di ba? Kaya kung ako pa sa Kim, ignore mo na lang and just can't manage their insecurities. Ay nako, ang daming mga bashers sa mundo. Ayaw tantanan si Kim. Siguro tinatawanan lang naman ni Kim yung mga bashers. Inggit lang sila kaya ayan, ang blessings nasa sa iyo palagi. Ignore Kim, bitter na to read negative comments. Hayaan mo na lang sila.